We are going to talk today about Algonquin Park. A trip in Algonquin Park brought us to a hotel, a former hotel, destroyed, dismantled by the government of Canada. The family that once owned the hotel decided to have some indication that there was a cabin hotel. These are pictures that at one time in that place, it was a place where the girls were brought. Then the government sold the hotel, the inn, to a private family. This family kept the hotel until 1956, when was sold to the government, and within 1 year the government dismantled this hotel, and now it's nothing. Thank you for watching.